Hi everyone, I've got a Ford Transit here on a 63 plate, which is 2013-14 plate. Now as you can see, the side light here is working, but the passenger side isn't. So the only way to do this is by removing these two little screws here, right? All you need is a T30 Torx. That's what you need, T there. If I show you how it's done. Now, first I do is take the screws out. Quite a simple job. And do this one as well. So make sure you don't drop the screw in, whatever happens. But you can use a straight flat screwdriver as well to open these. Now all then you do is put your hand in there and try to gently pull the light out. Once you've got the light out, all you need to do is this bulb here inside. Come on. Just in there, that's the bulb we need to replace, right? And but if it's difficult, you can unplug this from here. Just right there, you can unplug it, but I don't need to unplug it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the bulb. Taking this out, take the bulb out. Got the new bulb here as well, 501. Connect the bulb back up. There we go, that's all working. Now, I should have had the lights off, but it's okay. But plug it back in. Once I've plugged it in, put the cover back on. Sometimes it gets a bit tricky. Now, on the bottom here, that's the little lug. So it needs to sort of slot in there. Right in there. So when you put the light back in, make sure the light is all lined up and it slots in. That's all you got to do on yours. Any more information, please do let us know. We're trying to help you out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.